All right, so when you have an equation with a fraction, the first thing you want to do is get an LCD, or if you don't know how to get the LCD or don't want to fiddle with it, you can always multiply all the denominators together and call that your quote-unquote common denominator. And then after you get a common denominator, the irony of the whole thing is we immediately eliminate the denominator, and that gives us just a numerator expression for us to solve. So if you look here, the first thing you could do is, because you have one fraction equal to one fraction, you could cross multiply. But that only works when it's one fraction is equal to one fraction. So we're just going to go through the generic method that always works for every single fraction equation question, getting our LCD. So for the LCD here, what we can do is we can just multiply the two denominators together. So we take 7 times 2. And then we say to ourselves, all right, well, what is missing from this? So in the start on the left-hand side here, our LCD again is 7 times 2, 14. The 7 is missing a 2, so we multiply in by 2 over 2. Then the 2 is missing the 7, so we multiply in by 7 over 7. Okay? Now, once we do that, once we get 14, 14, same denominators, we can then take the entire equation and multiply by that LCD of 14. And what that will do is cancel out the 14 in the numerator with this 14 in the denominator, 14 in the denominator over here. So what will be left for us to solve is just 2 times x minus 5 equals parentheses x plus 3 times 7. Now, at that point, we need to distribute the 2 and distribute the 7, and we're pretty much home free at that point. So we have 2x minus 10 is equal to 7x plus 21, and then add our 10, get 2x is equal to 7x plus 31, and then subtract the 7x, subtract the 7x, and we get negative 5x equals 31, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. And we are home free. We get x is equal to negative 31 over 5. So the key step here is not necessarily everything from here once we clear the denominator downwards. Really the key thing is to remember that you multiply all the denominators together. That gives you an LCD or a common denominator. And then as soon as you get that common denominator, the irony of the whole thing, you clear the denominator and then you're just left with the numerator to simplify.